sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take us so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Parth Bhaveshi and today we have
Hi, I'm Arpit and I'm with Parth Bhaveshi today. In this vlog, we're gonna have fun.
Arpit. Some people would be knowing him. He's one of my closest friend and I know him from more than a year now. And
It's always fun when we are together.
when we are together. Today I thought कि एक video बनाते हैं. If you want to buy a car or if you want to have a car when you come to Canada. So I couldn't find a better person than Arpit for this video.
So thank you so much, Parth.
Which course you are
I was in
pursuing right
TRU when I was in Kamloops, and currently I'm in KPU Surrey. I'm pursuing my certification in photography. So all this video which you are watching today, it's scripted and directed by me, so credit should go to me, not Parth. So anyways, let's jump to the main
main video.
topic.
So some questions. So let's start
Sure,
with the
no
first
worries.
question. Canada people are really excited to have a car. So car का क्या scene है कर रहे हैं? Like is it a requirement to only you should buy a car, or is it kind of a necessity thing then you should?
See, like in India, हमारे पास Activa होते हैं, 2-wheelers होते हैं. Canada में वो नहीं है. They are expensive.
Yeah.
So car is the only your own personal conveyance which you try to buy. Public transit हर जगह accessible नहीं है. Common places पे होगा. Like Kamloops में we don't have SkyTrain, but whereas in Vancouver and Toronto, like big cities, you will find it. So you have to rely on bus, and for bus you have to wait for the bus, and like you have to plan your day according to the bus, right?
Time consuming पूरी चीज़ है.
Time consuming है. So the task which is for the 1 hour, you have to take an 1 hour extra just for your convenience.
Convenience.
But
आपको, हाँ. If you wanna come, if you wanna go somewhere. If you need a car for work purposes, कोई car buy करनी है, is it kind of a necessity? आते हो यार car ले लेने के उसका
See,
expense is
I
based.
recommend like you should buy a car almost after 6 months. So you settle down, you get to know about why you actually need the car. So if your workplace is near your home, if your college and school is near your home, so I don't think so you need a car, right?
Perfect.
So if you want to, there are some days when you think, okay, I need a car to just hang out or to go somewhere. You can anyways buy a 1-day rental car, which starts from all $30 to $150 and $400 also. You get a Lamborghini as well. So it's all about what you need and why you need the car. And the best part is buying a car in Canada is not a big deal. Starting from $2,000 till $25,000, you get car easily.
But अगर आपकी कार की रेंज 4 to 5,000 it's really good.
See,
like
yeah,
for example,
even
maintenance cost इतना ना आ जाए कि you need to spend too much money when you buy a $2,000 car.
Yeah, so I recommend, like मैंने भी पहले आके $4,000 की कार ली थी. After 6 months I bought a car, and which was in a good condition. Engine was good. Old car, it's a 2008 Honda Civic, and which is having a good mileage.
Next question यही है कि तेरा experience कैसा है after you bought a car and it gets more comfortable जो तूने कहा कि to save time.
See, of course, you save time, and indirectly you save money. And if you have a car, it's not just like you pay premium, right? If you say overall, if you it is basically a time buying, right?
Time buying.
The time you are spending in the bus, you can use for some valuable inputs in that.
It even depends where do you stay. For example, you're staying North Shore or somewhere and you want to go to university. So if you have a car, then it's quite fast to reach somewhere. Bus you need to change 2 buses from
and then
Lansdowne
yes. That is the only thing. The things get more accessible. You get more options. You get more job options, because sometimes employer says no, we are hiring someone who is having car.
Yeah, requirements में होता है वो job field में.
Suppose आप सहाली में stay कर रहे हैं, which is the nearest area to the TRU or Upper College Heights, right? And you get a job in Valley View. You are getting a job, but only the thing is you have to change 2 or 3 buses, and travel time will be somewhere between 45 minutes to 1.5 hours, right? But whereas if you have a car, it's just a 10 minutes drive.
At the same time, ऐसा नहीं कि you need to only buy a car. जैसे मैं 1.5 साल से I haven't bought a car. So it totally depends situational है पूरी चीज़ के. If you think you need a car or if you want to buy one.
I think student time पे car लेना is something if you can take the risk, then. And I recommend personally, don't go for $20,000 or $25,000 a brand new car.
Too much costly. New brand new नहीं लेनी है.
Brand new नहीं, because see, buying a car in Canada is not a big deal, right? Even if we'll get a BMW today or a Mercedes.
Perfect.
But only thing is your insurance and your maintenance.
That's high.
The maintenance is expensive. It's almost $75 an hour is the labor cost, and your parts, your fuel, your oil.
If you got to fix something in your car, then the labor cost per hour is around
$75 is just the labor cost. And even in my car, the rotor and the caliper got damaged. The $75 an hour was just the mechanic fee,
Labor
and on the
cost.
top of that, like whatever the caliber and the brake pad cost, and it was somewhere just a brake pad repair cost me somewhere around $700. So initially, like personal recommendation ये है, and it's not just my experience, what everyone says, कि आप कनाडा आएँ, अगर आपको कार लेनी है, you can go for an old car initially. You get a good car from somewhere around 1500 to 5000 की range में. You get a good car, and
but at the same time, जब भी car लेते, they need to check the condition, engine, they need to check everything,
yes,
right?
yes,
If
yes.
they're taking from a dealer or someone selling that
there are
from
lots
marketplace.
there are lots of sources from where you can buy a car. You can get it from your friend, you can get it from the marketplace, and there are dealers. If you will go to them, they will give you car. They'll give you finance, they'll give you loan, everything. The car he is giving is the car reliable? Is the engine is in a good condition? The car is in a good state to drive in a long run?
Perfect.
So if you buy a $1,500 car, and if you say, okay, I want to travel to 400 kilometers, it for $1,500 car is good, right? It may work well in the city, but when it goes to the highway, it may cause some problems. Condition in the internal region of British Columbia is not favorable in winters. So just car, it's like there are lots of expenses on the top of that. Here you get the tire change after every season. There is oil change after a certain kilometer, and the main part is like your license.
There are two things in this question. Okay, do you need to have a Canadian license to drive a car during your study permit, or if you don't take a Canadian license and if you have an Indian car license, then that works? How this is the whole thing?
So the duration of your study permit, like if your study permit is for the 2 years, in that 2 years you can drive on your international license that is from your back home country till the date your study permit is valid, right? And in that time your insurance cost will be,
For example, like amount 250, 300.
see, yes, if you have a British Columbia license, a Canadian license, your insurance will be somewhere around $200. But whereas if you use the same vehicle, same amount of premium, so same amount of coverage, your insurance will be somewhere around $380, which is almost
If you have an Indian license.
Indian or from any country.
Any country,
Yeah. On study permit you can drive.
Till study permit, you can use your license which you have taken from your home country.
Yes.
And after that, when you come to your work permit,
Then
you
you
need
need-
to have a
Yes,
Canadian
yes,
license.
you can't
Otherwise,
drive
they won't let you drive.
No.
So next question which comes here is that insurance hota hai. For example, you are staying in Kamloops, you are going to Vancouver. So is there a difference? For example, Kamloops mein kya hai,
definitely.
Vancouver ka kya hai?
Your insurance matters on your car model, your record, how you drive the car, and if there is an accident or number of tickets you have got, it increases your insurance. And if you have a clean status, then you get discounts from the ICBC as well. And city to city, it varies your cost of insurance. Like when I was in Kamloops, I used to pay for $500,000, I used to pay $260. But whereas the same insurance cost me in Vancouver somewhere around $400. $380.
So guys who don't know, he has moved to Surrey now. So he's just telling the difference कि जो car उसने Honda Civic यहाँ ली थी, it costed him around कितना insurance कितना 260. But the same in Surrey or Vancouver is gonna be around 400.
Because they say वहाँ के roads busy हैं and you will drive more, right?
Yeah, at the same point of time, maintenance cost बात की थोड़ी सी deep में मतलब what's the maintenance cost? For example, you tell we need winter tires. There are some issue with the engine, or for example, car अचानक बहुत time stop हो जाती है. In between when you're driving midway somewhere. So what's the whole thing? It's experience ko, yeah, you have to pay a lot of money.
First of all, जो भी car ले, it's just $9 or $10. You get the roadside assistance where they give you the courtesy car, so you can drive back to wherever you want. And secondly, they take your car to the garage. So yes, $9 monthly hai, but it is really very useful. Because if there is a breakdown somewhere in the road or a highway, then like you have very limited options. It's not like India. You are calling someone, okay, hey, come, like I'm stuck here, right? In Canada, first of all, your probability of your friend who is having a car is almost 50%, right?
अच्छा हाँ
मेरे like अगर 10 दोस्त हैं शायद उसमें 3 के पास कार है, right?
everyone won't be
Everyone won't be having, right? Secondly, जब आपको जरूरत है वो फ्री है कि नहीं है ये भी नहीं पता. So this is the main point because this happened with me, and after that even I was not having the roadside assistance. Later on someone told me, okay, then now I have almost everything covered. So maintenance is something you have to get it done every couple of kilometers, like your oil change after 5,000 kilometers.
एक कार 50,000 किलोमीटर चली है, दूसरी 200,000 चली है, तो मेंटेनेंस भी उस हिसाब से होगा उसका.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, because if you go for the Korean brands like Kia, Hyundai, and the brands like Chevrolet. So in Canada, the average life of the car is like 200,000 kilometers or 50,000 on the top of that. But whereas if you go for Toyota or Honda, they stay for almost 500,000 kilometers.
अच्छा company to company.
Company to company, because
Toyota is really good, yeah.
Toyota and Honda.
Long term, yeah.
Toyota and Honda. Like even I bought my car, an old car, which was driven almost 152,000 kilometers when I bought it.
Okay.
So and still it works really well.
Winter tires आपको every winter चाहिए या house does? You
Depends
need to
upon
change it क्या है उसका?
So winter. So as per British Columbia Road Authority, September October 1st till 30th of April, you must have winter tire if you are on highway.
अच्छा, can you tell that experience of when you were going back from Kamloops to Surrey, you came back?
Last week it happened with me. It was a snowfall on the highway,
Coquihalla Highway?
Coquihalla Highway, and it is one of the dangerous highway in North America. And so they shut down the highway, and either you have to go back, or you have to stay inside the car, or you have to find your own alternate for that.
During those times, the winter tire is something which you need, right?
Winter tire is must. Winter tire is
तो
just.
slip होगी, skid होगी. It can even turn around. You never know.
Yes, you can also say they are the snow tires. So the quality of the tire is a bit different, the one which we use in the summer. However, there are some all-weather, all-season tires as well, but they are not as good as the snow tires in winter. Various type of tires also, and buying a car is not easy. But yes,
This is such a misconception,
the
guys.
first thing is like, okay, you'll get a car, you'll pay cash, you'll get the car, but later on the maintenance.
Damn. It's
Every month you have to put a certain amount on a side for your car.
with a part-time job, it is a bit
It is really
hard.
very difficult. It is really very difficult.
क्योंकि अगर आप $1,000 if you're earning $1,000, you are
Yeah.
giving in rent for $500-600, 300-200 is your grocery charges. उसमें और तू savings कर, उसके ऊपर you like extra
So-
money which you need to save for even paying insurance for your car.
Yeah,
So that
insurance-
cost will cost you a lot.
Till insurance, it's okay. The day you get the maintenance,
Yeah.
at that time you are screwed.
Yeah,
because
you
it
need
is
to have
way
some
way
savings.
too much. Yes, you should have that
So
saving.
इसी के base में next question है that when you want to buy a car, do you need to do on a EMI basis or do you need to save a certain amount of money before you buy? Like लोग कहते हैं कि every monthly installments में pay कर दूंगा.
See,
या फिर, you know, how,
if you have a good credit, you'll get the car on EMI.
no, but
That's
if a
not
person is coming directly to Canada, उसको
Okay.
उसी second month and third month they wanna just buy a car, then how that
So it
works?
depends. If someone is coming to Canada as a student, then the scenario is different. Minimum you can pay zero down also. Like
Oh,
zero,
अच्छा,
minimum can be zero down, or you can pay $2,000, $3,000, whatever you want, and
Okay.
rest will be credit. Like you'll get the EMI as per your credit score.
Okay,
If you
so
have a
they
good
should at least have some spare money with
Yes,
them
yes,
too.
yes. So that's why, as we spoke earlier, you should have like initially don't go for the EMI or something. Just buy an old 2,000 or a $4,000 car. जहाँ के हिसाब से आपको ड्राइविंग प्रॉपरली आ जाएगी. At that time your insurance will be a bit high, and first of all, once you have the practice, get the Canadian license, because if you don't have a Canadian license, you have the new car. First of all, the insurance of the new car will be high. On the top of that, your EMI, and on the top of that, the insurance
Yeah.
will be for the new cars. There are hardly any maintenance, but
अच्छा,
yes,
okay,
the
हाँ.
oil change and everything.
But
Still,
you
it
know,
will be there.
sometimes, for example, there was this friend उसने एक 3 या 2,000 की कार ली, and there was a breakdown on the second week of when he bought a car, or he had like a $1,200 payment because उसका engine बंद हो गया था. So you know, if you don't even properly select a car when you're buying that, you will suffer at some point. उसके consequences होंगे.
Yes, yes. Best part is not even a friend. You should take someone along who is having a good knowledge of the car engine and good knowledge about the car, and who can investigate the car properly before buying the car. So that will be something good. Even if you pay $500 or $1,000 extra, and if you are getting a good model car, which later on down the line there is no maintenance cost or no overhead cost, then it's fine, right? Rather than just saving $500 now and spending $2,000 later on, it's better to buy a good one and you just take someone along who is having the good knowledge of car.
Any advice if you want to give one of them, if they want to buy a car, if they're coming to Canada, क्या like they should be calm and they should take some time, have patience कि 3-4 car dealers को visit करो, buy a good car, उसमें से आपको best लगे वही buy करो, don't be too much like excited.
My personal suggestion would be just come to Canada, wait for a couple of months, settle down, get the job first. Even it's not like the day you have got the job, buy a car. No, settle down, get into your monthly statements, how much I earn, how much.
Yeah, so how much you can save, have that financial record with you.
Yes. After that, buy an old car if you want to, and after that get the BC license first, the Canadian license.
Yeah, he's really recommending that because आपके बहुत चीज़ों में फ़र्क आएगा guys. Even if it's about saving money, even it's about anything which happens in your car or with your car, it's really good to have a license. Yes. Indian license works, but eventually you need to have a Canadian license. So why not you can just take it early, right? Yes. So why not to have it right now than to have it at some point in future when work permit is really near and you are like चाहिए वरना I can't drive during work permit. So have it as soon as possible.
Overall अगर आप देखें, Kamloops is a place, अगर आपके पास कार नहीं भी है, you can survive very easily. It's a small
even
town.
I survive, so guys, yeah, you can.
It's a small town. From the bus, it's easily accessible. Yeah. Yes, of course, in the late hours, you may have to face some challenge on the weekends. But yes, you still can manage. It's not necessary कि अगर मेरे पास कार नहीं है तो मैं नहीं रह पाऊँगा. So it's nothing like that. You can manage.
इसी के साथ हम वीडियो एंड करते हैं. Guys, इतना सीरियस हम आज तक रहे नहीं है, but this is like a really serious topic.
So it's my personal suggestion, everyone who is under the age of 18 and you are planning to come to Canada, at least get an Indian license. And yes. Thank you guys, and I hope you like the video. So yes, you can just like, share and subscribe this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.